about here. A little bit more. That's probably good right there. Yeah. So we put it back together. Then we take the top and fold it like that. Just like that. Yep. Then go straight down. Or we go like about. Nope, nope. You go over.
That's like, hey, come on, this has got to be easy, right?
This is no, I don't.
From a guy with a Jesus hat on.
Go up. And just like follow that square once you get the square.
Okay.
Follow the same fold.
The same thing?
Yeah.
And go this way?
No, no. Go up.
You know what? I'm just gonna let her do it, good? I need a beer.
Daddy needs a beer.
I need a beer.
Crease it real good.
Here, I'll be right here.
Go, you got it.
Yeah, she's got it. Follow that all the way through, like right on top.
Just crease it real good right there.
It takes a long time.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's just, I just have their hands. You too.
No worries.
It'd be cute to do it like
Keep
this.
going.
She has the hat and you can't see her face, but do that because you can't. But she looks so cute with her.
What did you do with yours, Angel? You threw it?
No, I gave it to him. I was gonna film your little class you got going on.
Here you go, you got it.
Oh yeah, you can see the hat.
Doing pretty good.
So, yep, then you take it back, pull it through the hole.
What?
Through the hole.
Okay, Brandon.
I did something wrong.
Help her.
You got it?
She's. Oh, he's spinning your other one.
I'll give you this one. Start spinning this like this. Spin this to the right.
Keep spinning now.
To the right.
No, the other way, the other way. There you go.
Here, I'll hold
That's
it.
the cutest little thing ever.
And all that's gonna follow all this. Keep tightening it. Keep spinning it.
Keep going.
I don't know how much more I can do.
That's going out good. Looks great.
Like, so when you spin it, spin it. So, alright. Once it's good and tight,
How much is one of those little coconuts?
Brandon knows. I hear you.
spin it and wrap it around like that, and then pull.
How do we tie the knot?
Hold that. I'll fix it. But that's nice and loose now, so you can tighten it more. So you take it, spin it. Nice and tight. You know, you spin it with your fingers.
The big bad mama jamma.
Yeah, spin it and tie it like this. And pull it up like that, real tight.
Look at that. Oh, how cute. Wait, let me do it like that. Hold on. Don't look up. just keep your hat down like that and your hand. Perfect. Let Daddy get one,
Yeah,
but he
let me
can
get
put your
one.
face in it. I don't.
Everybody get in there, get in.